Hey there, fellow food rebels! Are you ready to embark on a journey that will revolutionize the way you think about gardening? Today we're diving into a method that will have you growing fresh, delicious lettuce without ever touching a speck of dirt. Tired of dirt under your fingernails? Sick of the endless weeding and the back-breaking labor that comes with traditional gardening? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have been there and it's time for a change. Me too. That's why we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of hydroponics. Imagine growing your favorite greens in a clean, controlled environment where you can monitor every aspect of their growth. Sounds amazing, right? Specifically, we're going to make you a Kratky lettuce kingpin. The Kratky method is a simple yet effective way to grow lettuce without soil. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. What is Kratky, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. The Kratky method is a passive hydroponic technique that requires no pumps or electricity. It's as easy as setting up a container with water and nutrients and letting your plants do the rest. Imagine a spa day for your lettuce. Your plants get all the nutrients they need directly from the water, and you get to enjoy watching them grow without the hassle of traditional gardening. No digging, no weeds, just pure hydroponic bliss. It's a game changer for anyone looking to grow their own food in a more efficient and sustainable way. It's so easy, even I can do it, and trust me, I'm no gardening expert. If I can set up a Kratky system and grow beautiful, healthy lettuce, then you can too. And trust me, if I can do it, you can too. The best part is, you don't need a lot of space. Whether you live in a house with a big backyard or a small apartment, you can grow fresh lettuce right in your living room. We're talking fresh, crisp lettuce grown right in your living room. No backyard, no problem. With hydroponics, you can turn any space into a thriving garden. Get ready to unlock the secrets of growing power greens with the power of water. We'll guide you through every step of the process, from setting up your system to harvesting your first batch of lettuce. It's about to get leafy in here. So grab your containers, fill them with water, and let's get growing. Your journey to root-free living starts now. For centuries, we've wrestled with dirt to grow our food. Backbreaking work, right? Our ancestors wouldn't believe how easy we have it now. Hydroponics is like the agricultural equivalent of trading in your ox-drawn plough for a Tesla. Imagine a time-traveling Roman emperor visiting your hydroponic setup. He'd probably faint from shock and then try to claim it as his own. No soil? Magic, he'd exclaim, and you'd casually reply, nah, just science, dude. Hydroponics is the future of farming, and you're on the cutting edge. Bask in the glory. All right, recruits, welcome to the exciting world of hydroponics, where we grow plants without soil and create our own little green paradise indoors. Today, we're going to assemble our very own hydroponic hit squad, a team of essential tools and supplies that will ensure our plants thrive and flourish. So let's get started. Before we embark on this leafy adventure, we need to gather the right gear. Just like any mission, having the proper equipment is crucial for success. Think of it as assembling your hydroponic hit squad, each member playing a vital role in the growth and health of your plants. First up, we have the bucket of destiny. Any old bucket will do, but choose wisely. This is your lettuce's future home, their very own luxury condo. Make sure it's clean and sturdy, as it will be holding the nutrient solution that feeds your plants. Next, we have the net cups of nurturing. These little guys hold your plants and allow their roots to dangle freely in the nutrient solution. Think of them as tiny plant hammocks, cradling your plants as they grow and thrive. Now, let's talk about Hydroponic, the magical growing medium. Forget soil. We're using these clay pebbles to provide support and aeration for your roots. They create the perfect environment for your plants to grow strong and healthy. Moving on, we have the nutrient solution, the elixir of life. This is the magic potion that makes your lettuce thrive. It's a carefully balanced blend of plant food that provides all the essential nutrients your plants need to grow. Don't worry, it's not unicorn tears, just science at its best. Another crucial member of our squad is the pH meter, the acidity arbiter. Lettuce, like their water, slightly acidic, and this handy gadget will help you keep things in check. It ensures that the pH levels of your nutrient solution are just right for optimal plant growth. And finally, we have the Grow Light, the sunshine simulator. We're playing God here, folks. This light will provide the energy your lettuce needs to flourish. It's especially important if you're growing your plants indoors or in a place with limited natural sunlight. Now that we've gathered all our essential tools and supplies, we're ready to embark on our hydroponic journey. Each member of our hydroponic hit squad plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of our plants. With the right gear and a little bit of care, we'll be able to grow healthy, vibrant lettuce and other leafy greens right in our own homes. Remember, the key to a successful hydroponic garden is consistency and attention to detail. Regularly check your nutrient solution levels, pH, and light conditions to ensure your plants are getting everything they need. And don't be afraid to experiment and adjust as needed. Hydroponics is both a science and an art, and with practice, you'll become a master gardener in no time. So, recruits, are you ready to take on this leafy adventure? With our hydroponic hit squad assembled, we're well equipped to grow a thriving garden. Let's get our hands dirty, or rather clean and green, and start planting. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your hydroponic system and planting your first seeds. Happy growing, and may your plants be ever bountiful. pH meter. The acidity arbiter lettuce. Like there, water slightly acidic, and this handy gadget will help you keep things in check. Grow light, the sunshine simulator. We're playing God here, folks. This light will provide the energy your lettuce needs to flourish. Germination. Sounds kind of gross, right? But don't let the name fool you. Germination is the magical process where life begins. It's the moment when a seed decides to wake up and start its journey to becoming a full-grown plant. But it's actually pretty cool. Imagine watching a tiny, seemingly lifeless seed burst into life, sprouting little roots and shoots. It's like witnessing a miracle unfold right before your eyes. It's like watching a tiny seed transform into a leafy green superhero. From a small, unassuming seed, it grows into a robust plant ready to provide you with fresh, crisp lettuce leaves. First, grab your lettuce seeds. These little gems are the starting point of your gardening adventure. Each seed holds the promise of a bountiful harvest. These little guys are packed with potential. Inside each tiny seed is everything needed to grow a whole plant. It's like a miniature package of life just waiting to be unleashed. Soak them in water for a few hours to wake them up from their slumber. This helps to soften the seed coat and kickstart the germination process. Next, plant them in your net cups filled with Hydroton. Hydroton provides a stable and well-aerated environment for the seeds to grow. Don't bury them too deep, just a light dusting will do. Seeds need to be close to the surface to access the air and light they need to sprout. Seeds need air to breathe, you know. Roots equal cycle, remember? The roots will grow down into the water, absorbing nutrients and oxygen. Now for the magic trick, mist your seeds with water to keep them moist. This helps to create the perfect environment for germination. Mist your seeds with water and cover them with a humidity belt. The dome helps to maintain humidity and warmth, creating a mini greenhouse effect. This creates a cozy little greenhouse environment where your seeds can sprout in peace. In just a few days, you'll see the first signs of life as tiny green shoots emerge from the soil. It's the beginning of a beautiful journey from seed to salad. Time to assemble your hydroponic masterpiece. Follow these rhythmic, rhyming instructions and you'll be a Kratky pro in no time. First, take your bucket, sturdy and strong, cut a hole in the lid where the net cup will belong. Fill it up with water, but not to the brim. Leave some space for air. It's a hydroponic whim. Add your nutrient solution, the elixir of growth. Follow the instructions. Don't you dare sloth. Adjust the pH level with your trusty meter. Lettuce, like it's slightly acidic, it makes them sweeter. Finally, place your net cup with the seedlings so small into the bucket's embrace, ready to stand tall. Let there be grow light. Remember that grow light we talked about? It's not just for decoration, folks. This is where the magic happens. Imagine your grow light as a miniature sun showering your lettuce with life-giving rays. It's like a disco party for plants, but instead of groovy music, they're soaking up photons. Make sure your light is the right distance from your plants. Too close and you'll scorch them. Too far and they'll stretch towards the light like desperate sunbathers. The zen of watching lettuce chill. Now comes the easy part, watching your lettuce grow. It's like meditation, but with more delicious rewards. Keep an eye on the water level in your bucket. As your lettuce grows, it will drink more. Refill the bucket as needed, making sure the roots are always submerged in the nutrient solution. Every week or so, check the pH level of your nutrient solution and adjust it if necessary. Lettuce can be a bit demanding, but hey, that's why we love them. Harvest time from bucket to bowl. After a few weeks of patiently waiting, and maybe some excited squeals, it's time to harvest your bounty. Grab your scissors and prepare for the most satisfying salad of your life. Cut the lettuce leaves you need, leaving the rest of the plant to continue growing. That's right, you can get multiple harvests from a single plant. Talk about a return on investment. Rinse your lettuce thoroughly and enjoy the fruits, or rather leaves, of your labor. Crisp, fresh, and bursting with flavor, this is what hydroponics is all about. You grow, girl! Congratulations, you're officially a Kratky convert. But the learning doesn't stop here. We've got your back with a treasure trove of resources to help you on your hydroponic journey. Download our free PDF guide, Lettuce, Turn Up the Hydro Heat. It's packed with even more tips, tricks, and troubleshooting advice. Consider it your hydroponic Bible. Now go forth and grow, my friend, and remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're all in this together.